Hello, I'm Mr. Joel Rojas and I'm 40 years old. I'm from Mabalacat, Pampanga, and I have work experience as a trailer driver in almost 5 years until now. And now I will be performed to how to check inside this truck. This unit is Scania G410. And now this is steering wheel, and we have mechanics here like this horn working good. And this is a panel board, and you can see here of indicator like battery, AdBlue, fuel, and air pressure. And this hazard switch is working good. And this is a maxi brake. And this is a automatic and manual transmission. And the left side is we have a signal light. Left and right signal is working. And we have a power window button is working. And the headlight is working. And now let's go to the exterior of this truck and continue for inspection. Let's go. Now let's go to the exterior of our truck. This is Roland, the recommended level maximum. And then the filling oil. Let's go here. Tire no crack, no leak at the top. This other one. This is bronze. In case of emergency, I will use that cabinet, rolls cabinet. Spare tire is good. Same this trailer, no leak under the hub. Same this other one, other side. No leak under the hub. Same this other one, charge valve. Fire extinguisher is broken. I replaced that in the office. Same this, no leak under the hub. And now let's go to the driver. trailer driver here in the Philippines is changing the tire is a part of my job. That's why I know how to replace the tire. Thank you for watching and see you soon in Europe.